Object level settings. You can customize, create, edit, and delete settings for individual objects on your grid. To access these customizations, click More and go to Edit Fields to open Step 2 of the Grid Wizard. In Step 2 of the Grid Wizard, click the ellipsis icon beside the object you would like to edit. In this case, I'm going to click the ellipsis icon beside the Tasks object. This opens up the Object Level Settings window. I can see that I'm on Tasks, and I can see the fields that I can customize. The first field that I can customize is Label. If I would like to put a different label than Tasks, something custom here, I can type it, and this new label will appear in my grid instead of the word task. I can also type a plural version of the label. Edit. If edit is checked, it means that this object is editable in the grid. Uncheck it and it will be read only. Create. If the create checkbox is checked, it means that users can create new records on this object. It will automatically uncheck if the edit box is unchecked, making the grid read only. Delete. Check this box if you want to allow your users to mass delete within this object. These are the object level settings for the parent object. In a child object, you will have a few additional fields. For example, here is the child object in this grid, which is Opportunity. You can see some of the same fields that we just discussed, and two additional fields, Editable Related Column and Flat View. These are only visible on child objects, and you can only select one or the other, and I'll tell you why. Editable Related Column. What this does is it shows a comma-separated list of this object on the parent record. I'll show you an example. Right here on my grid, I have two editable related columns, Accounts and Contacts. These are child objects within my Tasks grid, but they're showing here at the top level, comma separated. I can click More to open up an editable gridlet where I can make changes to this content. Flat View. If I check this box, I can show the fields for this child object within the same row as the parent object. It will no longer be treated as a child if I check this box. I'll show you an example. Here is a different grid for Opportunity Product. And you can see I'm showing some contact fields here, because this grid has contact as a child and it has been flattened. In Step 2 of the Grid Wizard, for this grid, you can see right here, Opportunity Product is the parent and contact has been flattened within, showing the contact fields at the top level alongside the Opportunity Product fields. Object level settings. If you have any questions about object level settings, please contact us at appbuddy.com. We would love to help you.